Welcome to the latest edition of Elemental, Vedanta Aluminium's monthly newsletter, rounding up the latest updates from India's top aluminium producer. We begin with some great news. Vedanta Aluminium recorded a remarkable record production in Q2 FY26 with its highest ever quarterly aluminium production at 617 KT and alumina production at 653 KT, making a strong 31% year-on-year growth. Vedanta Lanjigarh achieved a record-breaking production milestone in Q2, delivering the plant's highest ever alumina production to date at 653 KT, representing a 30% increase year-on-year. Vedanta Aluminium showcased its world-class product range to 12,000 plus current and prospective customers at Alumex, India's first aluminium extrusion expo. CEO Rajiv Kumar outlined our plans to scale production to 3.1 MTPA amid rising domestic demand, while our experts led sessions on innovation and sustainability. Balco Medical Center successfully concluded the third annual BMC Chhattisgarh Conclave, hosting over 1,000 oncologists, researchers, and healthcare professionals from India and beyond, providing a vital platform for knowledge exchange and skill development. Vedanta Aluminium joined the Government of India's Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam 2.0 campaign across Odisha with a commitment to plant over 2 lakh saplings. Balco introduced a quick response team vehicle to enhance emergency readiness, enabling faster, flexible responses with firefighting gear and trained personnel, strengthening safety across the plant and township. At Vidakshata Skill Training Center, Jamkhani Coal Mine volunteers imparted training on the use of belts and harnesses for work at heights. The session aimed to promote a safe and organized workplace. Vedanta Aluminium marked Teachers' Day 2025 across its Jharsuguda, Lanjigarh, Balco and mining operations, honoring over 1,000 teachers including retired educators. Under the More Jal More Mati initiative, Balco supported farmers by developing over 500 waris, transforming barren land into fertile income-generating fields. Vedanta Kurloi Mine organized a block-level teachers' orientation, training 650 plus teachers in classroom management, lesson planning and educational technology, strengthening academic support for schools in the region. The Bauxite Mines team inaugurated a fitness-cum-amusement park at Ramakrishnan Mission Ashram, Hata, Munigura, Raigara, offering a safe, fun and health-focused space for physical activity and holistic growth. In the run-up to the Vedanta Delhi Half Marathon, Vedanta Aluminium employees and business partners have so far contributed more than 21 lakh meals through walkathons, Zumba sessions, and other fitness activities. Balco hosted Malhar 3.0, its annual photo exhibition featuring 200 employees' entries across themes such as archaeological wonders, natural escapes, and cultural kaleidoscope. Vedanta Lanjigarh Skill Training Center in Bhawanipatna achieved 93% job placement for its 21st batch of food and beverage trainees. More than 750 youth have been trained to date in partnership with OSDA and NABARD. Balco has been recognized at the FICCI CSR Summit 2025 for Project Nai Kiran. Vedanta Lanjigarh won 6 gold and 1 silver at the 7th CCQC for Operational Excellence Improvements. The unit also received the National Award for Excellence in Energy Management 2025. Vedanta Jharsuguda was recognized at the CII National Energy Management Awards 2025, winning the Excellent Energy Efficiency Unit and Most Useful Presentation Awards at the CII SHE Awards, securing Odisha's top honor, a 4-star rating and Eastern Region's second runner-up. CG Mali Mines was honored with the Gold Award for Excellence in Community Health at the 9th CSR Health Impact Summit. That's all for this month. For all the latest updates, follow our social handles. Thank you and see you in the next month edition.